Hello everyone. In this video we are going to design a 3D model of a simple wooden chair using Blender. First open Blender. The Blender version I'm using here is 4.2. Okay. Delete a default item by pressing A and X. Select delete, and we are going to add a cube. Instead of cube you can add a plane also. Shift A, mesh, plane. Okay, enlarge this plane by pressing S. This is enough. Now press E to extrude this plane. In object edit mode, go to edit mode, press E and Z. You will extrude the plane in Z direction to increase the thickness of this plane. I think this is enough. Now we have to add loop cuts. We want 12 loop cuts to design our chair. So instead of selecting the icon, you can press Ctrl or shortcut in your keyboard so that you can scroll your mouse wheel to add more loop cuts in equal spaces. Rotate the mouse wheel and add 12 loop cuts. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, enough. As well as we have to add loop cuts in perpendicular direction also. Press Ctrl R and scroll your mouse wheel. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Enough. Okay. Now first we are going to design the legs of the chair. To design the legs, enable face selection and select these faces by pressing shift. Press and hold shift and select these faces. Corner faces. Okay. Now press E to extrude those faces. E, Z. I think this is enough. Now we are going to design the handle and the back portion of this chair. Select these faces by pressing and holding shift key in your keyboard. Now press E to extrude these faces. Hold OK, hold it. Now we are going to extrude these two faces alone. Select these faces, press E. Enough. Now select edge selection. Select these two edges and right click, select bridge edge loops, as well as in this side select these two edges and right click in your mouse, select bridge edge loops. Now again enable face selection, select these two faces in both sides, press E to extrude these faces. I think this is enough. Okay, perfect. As well as enable edge selection, select these two edges by pressing and holding shift, bridge edge loops. Okay, a joint. Again enable face selection, select these two faces also, press E and extrude. Enough. Okay, now again select face in odd or even order. select these 5 faces and again press E to extrude those faces. You will get a grill-like design of the chair. Okay. Okay, we get a basic structure of chair. Go to object mode. This is the structure of our chair. Let's we improve this chair design. Okay, these edges are too sharp, so we have to blend these edges to make those edges sharpless. We have to bevel those edges, so enable edge selection and select these two edges, press Ctrl B. Okay, now scroll your mouse wheel, it will add more loop cuts to the bevel. Okay, as well as these two edges. Select these two edges by pressing and holding shift key in your keyboard. Press Ctrl B, move your cursor and add more loop cuts by rotating your scroll wheel of your mouse. Okay, now we got the basic design of chair. Go to object mode to view it. Okay, that's it. Now we can add color by pressing this material icon and select new. It will add a material to this chair. Select color. Let's select brown like color. I think this is okay. To view the material applied to this chair, press viewport shading. Okay, increase the roughness. Adjust these parameters to get your material perfectly. Let's put it 0. We don't want to make it metallic. Okay, that's it.